Today is July 2nd. Today's July 2nd. Look at that monstrosity. Like, oh yeah.
Whoa.
Wait, what are you doing there?
Well, with your camera, you need to zoom and you need to go like, whoa.
What would that look like? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wow. So the point of this whole thing is just to show we're gonna pick some jalapenos.
We're gonna pick some jalapenos. Cheers.
Banana pepper.
That banana pepper, and probably some more catnip. The catnip is getting out of control again. The reason we're doing this is because one of the jalapenos fell off, but that kind of means that we should probably be picking some stuff to let new stuff grow.
What are these there? Are those peppers look like the little wiggly bottom ones?
Right here?
Yeah. I don't know how big those are supposed to get, but we could probably pick a few of those.
I think next time we do a garden, we draw a map.
What?
Maybe we should put like the signs like right next to here so we don't have to like go digging for it. I gotta weed this little bastard right here. Oh, almost got him. Okay, weeding's done. Maggie, are you helping? Good girl. I don't know what this is.
So fast.
Are these Sashidos? Sashido.
That's what they look like to me.
Yeah, where's the piece of plastic?
Right there.
Oh, Sashido. Yeah, these are Sashido.
Those are supposed to look like.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick one of these because I think they're supposed to be.
They're supposed to be about finger length. I think.
Yeah, so I'm gonna pick this one right here, and that is our first Sashido pepper. Sashido. I remember when you were just a seed. This is our first Sashido pepper. This is when you play the song from Fiddler on the Roof.
Is this the little seed I buried? Is this my Sashido today?
All right, sing your vegetable picking song.
I don't have one yet.
Maggie, are you coming to help or are you gonna stay there? Okay, you're gonna stay there. Picking the plants.
Cut off some of the jalapenos too, I think.
I think this one right here. Oh, you're starting over there?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some of these away from your
What are you picking here?
catnip.
Catnip. Got it?
Oh, it smells like weed. That's all I smell. It's so funny.
And then we'll dehydrate this.
You tell me which jalapenos you want me to pick.
That bottom one.
This one?
Right there.
Do I just cut it here
Can
or
I
cut
see
it
it?
closer to the stem? Plant.
I would cut it toward the plant, I think.
That's a good one. It's got a tiniest bit of corking on it too, Jay.
Oh, nice. So those of you who don't know what corking is when you get lines on the pepper, and the more lines you have, the hotter the pepper is. A lot of people think that the heat comes from the seed. That's not true. It comes from the capsaicin inside the pepper itself, and the seeds really have nothing to do with it.
Perfect little jalapeno.
But the more lines you have, that is a perfect jalapeno. That is gorgeous.
Look at those. Look at these guys. We could make boats with them.
We could. And that's the point of this. It's not just to be ornamental, it's to eat.
Use them.
What is it, a banana pepper? It's so bright out here, I can't see my phone.
That one doesn't. Oh, yeah, you can't smell it near the top. 3 more growing.
Oh my God, that smells so good. Look at this thing. It's like the size of my face. This pepper is as big as Andy.
Yeah.
Look how big it is. Like,
Pretty much.
she's a hobbit, and this is Gandalf. Gandalf the pepper. Ooh. So what just happened?
A spider was on your leg and you saw it. And I saw it.
And then what happened?
You flicked it and now he can't cut anything else because he's in the garden somewhere. Where?
Are you scared of spiders?
It's on me. I feel it on me.
It's not on you.
I'll stay back here.
No, it's in the cucumbers.
I wanted to look at those things.
The cucumbers are forever what?
Unclean. Forever unclean. Forever unclean. Sorry, guys. Could burn down the half of the garden. You're all dying. We're all dying.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
July 2nd is our first harvest day. I don't know, rewind this video and show us where we started.
Even if we say like May 30th?
No, I think it was like May 15th.
May 15th, let's say. It's been almost 2 months.
Almost. Okay, so that kind of puts things in perspective. This is a month and a half.
I feel like it's been longer with how big everything's gotten.
Look how big those tomatoes were. Like literally,
Those were
they're
grown from seeds.
they're taller than.
The tallest one was grown from a seed.
Yeah.
We grew that.
That's taller than me.
Yeah. Well, not yet.
No, I can see the top of it. That's taller than me. Here.
I can see the top of a lot of things, and they're not taller than me.
Not yet.
It's still got about 4 inches to go.
You went vertical? Okay, so I'm 6'6".
This is probably 6'2", 6'4".
Maybe 6 foot 1. Yeah.
Who's taller, you or your dad?
My dad's taller. My dad's 6 foot.
I thought you were gonna lie about that.
No, my dad. Yeah. Because he'll call me out on it.
I know. Well, he's not gonna watch a 3-hour-long video about gardening.
Over by your finger over there, look pretty good.
This one?
Sashido.
Holy! Look at that monster right here. Sashido.
Oh, did you show them that our candy cane pepper's getting orange?
Candy cane pepper. Oh no, I didn't because
This one's getting a tiny bit of orange. So I think these are supposed to change colors, and I'm gonna let them sit on here until they do.
Oh, that Thai pepper's starting to grow.
Yes, it is.
Because these were the ones
little
that our
guy.
neighbors gave us. And that's the other one, the one that's dying. But this is the one that's doing actually really well. Look how big this is getting. Oh, I see a weed. Pluck the weed. What was that?
Sashido. Look at all of these.
Oh, wow.
Most of these I feel like are pretty good size.
Too dark, but let's try and lighten that up a little bit. Yeah, those look really good in there. You know what we should do with them? Tempura them.
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
Sashido.
Maggie's over there weeding. Tomatoes are
Not ready.
not even close. Damn cucumber leaves are. We're gonna get some cukes.
Yeah.
You want to try and make pickles? So for those out there, Andy loves pickles. She loves pickles. She loves fried pickles. She likes pickles out of the jar. So her making pickles is probably one of the greatest things because Andy is an amazing chef. She makes amazing food, and she'll always say that she's not good.
So these are supposed to be red. They're getting very big, these hot burrito peppers here.
Yeah.
But they are supposed to turn red. So
we're gonna hold off on those for right now.
Is that a jalapeno there? Whoa!
You see something?
This is gonna be like that ear of corn, but better because it's real.
What? Are you kidding?
Oh boy. Looks like Jason and Andy bit off more than they could chew this time. Remember a couple episodes ago?
Carpium?
All right, so
It should
I have no idea.
turn red. That picture is
Oh,
red.
yeah?
So this should be a red pepper at some point, but it's not a bell.
Okay, so don't pick that until it's red.
No.
Well, life has a way of coming back and biting you on the tuchus.
That's a poblano, I think.
Poblanos weren't even growing.
Yeah, you were.
No, but like none of them were like
Well,
growing.
I think that's what that is. It's a 3-sided one. It points at the end.
Holy crap, this was in
That's
there.
habaneros down here. What color are those?
Orange,
Okay.
bright orange. Oh my God, that smells so good.
Probably could have left it on and it would have gotten darker. Now that I see this side, that's pretty
That's okay.
light.
Oh my God, that smells so good. All right, poblano goes next to the banana pepper. Wow, they look so different. That actually is a poblano. Did you just break something?
I can't tell. No. This is the sticker that's next to it. Carmen Italian sweet pepper.
Oh, that's it.
Shoot, I thought it was a poblano, so I picked it. They should be red.
But those are the Italian sweet, and they're supposed to be red. So we picked it really early, but it still smells amazing, and I cannot wait to try it.
Jason likes to grow things that are too hot for me to just enjoy off the vine. So he grew some stuff for me that I could eat off the vine, or that I wouldn't have to sparingly put on food or into food. So
Very sparingly.
I'm looking forward to some of these growing.
And Andy loves red peppers. And the one thing I I really wanted to do for her was she loves these little snack sweet yellow peppers.
The mini sweet pepper.
And we get those from like Walmart or, Woodman's. That was the reason I wanted to do those for her, because then we could just grow them and eat them. Yeah.
I got a lot more Sashidos here, I think.
Oh, good.
Isn't that what these are?
Yeah.
Sashido.
So I wanted to give as many of those a chance as possible when so many other plants did not make it.
That we enjoy because they grow so easily that it's rewarding to grow something that grows well.
Agreed.
So if we enjoy them and we can find a use for them and we can get food out of them. I'm gonna take a bite. Are
Maggie, what
Sashidos
you see?
hot?
Sashidos are, well, they're hot peppers.
Tastes kind of like a bean.
Really?
Yeah. It's not hot.
Yeah, there's like zero heat.
I'll stop picking them. I think they need to stay on longer, then I'll stop picking them.
So I'll dehydrate these and use them as like
Or we'll fry them up.
or fry them up.
Yeah, they won't be hot, but they'll have a lot of flavor.
Brave dog barking at the recycling truck. Who's in your backyard? That's a tomato. Those are the two new ones. No, those are the two good ones, and this one just came outside.
Is that a tomato?
I think so.
The leaves look like it, but what are these?
It honestly looks like weed.
Yeah. Well, a little bit. I don't know much about weed growing, but
I don't either, but
I don't know what those are. None of my tomato plants I've never seen those.
I mean, the leaves don't, but
The leaves look like tomato plants.
Yeah.
That'll be interesting to see what it does. But I think these, even if they're not ripe and hot, I think these will taste good sauteed, like whole, or we lightly batter them and drop them into our fried daddy. Dip them in some yakiniku sauce. No thanks, that's all the seeds.
Hi, weed plant that we don't know what it is, but keeps growing. Has a really beautiful little area right there. Right? I'm gonna be super happy if this thing gets like crazy big. Look how much that's grown in like 2 weeks. No garlic. Garlic is all but working. Garlic is extremely hard to grow, apparently.
People say it's not, but it is. So I'll do some more research because I want to grow garlic. That's the one thing we always buy.
And we eat it on literally everything, so.
It's sacrilege, but we use the garlic in the jars sometimes.
But because I want so much of it.
I know, so I'm saying if we can just grow our own and be like, wow, we have so much garlic, we'd never have to buy it again. If we could figure it out every year.
Whoa, look at that haul.
We'll dehydrate these. We'll save these to use fresh, I think. Our first ones.
Yeah.
I'd like to fry these. This baby might go into chili meat with my folks this weekend.
Oh,
this weekend.
yeah.
It's not the right pepper, but it will taste good in it.
I was gonna say, if you don't want it, I would love to cut that up on some brats too.
We have another one in the fridge too. It's not a pepperoncini. And that poor guy that I picked probably 3 weeks before his prime.
But it smells good.
But it smells so good.
It smells so good.
All I smell is weed.
Well, it's because that's all you want.
It's because that catnip smells like weed. I wish you guys could smell this through the phone. It smells like weed.
Does it smell like weed, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It does.
Okay, let's go inside.
Sunrise, sunset. So not a lot of people know this. In middle school, I played Tavia in Fiddler on the Roof. Still can't sing, but I got the body for it.